like to sell you my bike.
Does that thing have heated seats?
Weld County Garage has been around since 1908. Back then, we even made a trade for a flock of chickens. But today, we've upgraded a bit. How many miles on this thing? Weld County Garage has been Greeley's trade-in central since 1908, back when we traded in chickens and tools for vehicles. Now, I can't take your bike or your lawnmower, but we'll pay you absolutely top dollar for your vehicle, no purchase necessary at all. And if you do decide to buy with us, you'll get $500 off your new car or truck. It's a Trade-A-Thon at Weld County Garage, Northern Colorado's home for GMC and pre-owned vehicles since 1908.